Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add name into your Mailchimp emails. Now, if you would like to add someone in our contacts, for example, and I would like to send an email to an audience, first let me just create a quick audience from here. Let's check this box and click on add. Something went wrong. Oh yeah, and let me change this to gmail.com. And just like that, we can add our contact. We need to refresh the page. The problem is when you try to add an email that is not really a good email, for example the one that I've added, it will not work for you guys. Let me just do this and this one. The contact with this has been added. As you can see, here it is. And now, as you can see, this is this email. This is the contact. Now, if I want to send them a message or an email, what I have to do is basically go ahead and create an email, just like that, design email. And I will simply go ahead and choose to whom I would like to send it. I would choose the audience that I have just chosen. And here to dot send to, I'm not going to choose this, save it. I'm going to choose from subject, for example, happy uh, happy birthday or something like that. Save. And what I would like to do is actually give in the contents, so design email in the contents, and within the content itself we can actually write their email just like that. I'm gonna try to use one of these templates, and you have blocks on the left. So there is blocks on the left when you are trying to layout or design your email. There's blocks that you can choose from, and there is the we call it paragraph block. In the paragraph block, all you need to do is to drag it and drop it, and this will allow you to actually write down stuff within your email template. So here, as you can see, this is continue to builder. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to, for example, here write happy birthday Michael or stuff like that. So this is how you can write an email with the name of a person. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.